It's cold outside, baby. So perfect time for some soup recipes. I made the best vegan broccoli creamy soup last night, and it will knock your socks off. You gotta try it. I don't care if you're vegan or not. Don't have an agenda there. I just really want you to try the soup. It is amazing. And with the winter months headed our way and the snow and just sometimes having to be locked behind the doors, there is just nothing better than a warm, delicious, creamy soup. All right, listen, I want you to enjoy the video, and if you do, would you give it a thumbs up? Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. I would love to see some comments in below. What are some of your favorite winter soups that you enjoy? And share it in the comments. All right, enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, get 2 tablespoons of butter and put it in your pot. We're making your vegan broccoli creamy soup. Add 1 carrot, 1 celery, and 1 onion. Chop it up and put it in your pot. You want to cook this until it gets translucent. Add your salt and pepper to taste, how much ever you like. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of flour. You're going to stir that up, and you're going to make a little roux. Push all those vegetables to the side and stir that until it is smooth. And once it's smooth, then you're gonna add your alternative milk. You can add soy or rice or even almond milk. I did rice. It's my go-to. So you're just gonna add a little bit at a time and keep stirring because you want that consistency to be smooth in the roux. It's like making a gravy. You just keep stirring it up. You're gonna slowly keep adding your milk. And once it's all smooth and you're confident, then throw the rest of the milk in. Give it a stir. Stir, stir, stir. Then you're gonna add 2 cups of vegetable broth. I don't know why I have those sage leaves there. We didn't use it. You're gonna cook this for 20 minutes. And then you're gonna add your broccoli. And you're gonna throw that into your pot. You're gonna cook it another 20 minutes. And then you're gonna get some broccoli on a tray, 425 oven, cook for 20 minutes, add salt, pepper, and some garlic. And then you'll get out your immersion blender, and you're gonna blend this soup until the consistency that you enjoy. I like mine a little chunky. And then the last thing is add 1 cup of vegan cheese. I use mozzarella. Stir it and enjoy your soup. Voila!